Every morning, millions of guys look in the mirror, notice a few hairs on the sink, and think, it's probably normal. But here's the problem. Hair loss rarely happens overnight. It happens so slowly that most people don't notice it until their hairstyle stops looking the way it used to. And by then, fixing it becomes much harder. So before I tell you how to improve your hair, let's talk about what's actually causing the damage. Problem 1. You're ignoring your scalp. Most guys spend money on shampoos, waxes, and styling products, but completely ignore the place where hair actually grows, the scalp. If your scalp is unhealthy because of dandruff, excess oil, product buildup, or irritation, your hair isn't getting the best environment to thrive. Think of it like trying to grow a plant in poor soil. Problem 2. Your lifestyle is working against you. Sleeping at 2 a.m., surviving on junk food, barely drinking water, and constantly feeling stressed may not seem related to your hair, but your body notices. When your overall health suffers, your hair often reflects it too. Many people focus on buying new products while ignoring the habits that matter every single day. Problem 3. You're damaging your hair yourself. Daily harsh shampooing, very hot water, rough towel drying, aggressive rubbing, and excessive heat styling can all increase breakage and make hair look thinner over time. Sometimes the biggest enemy of your hair isn't genetics, it's your routine. So now talk about how can you fix these problems. Step 1. Build a healthy scalp. Spend 5 minutes each day gently massaging your scalp with your fingertips. Keep your scalp clean, avoid excessive buildup, and pay attention to signs like persistent dandruff or irritation instead of ignoring them. Healthy hair starts with a healthy foundation. Step 2. Upgrade your hair routine. Don't treat your hair aggressively. Choose products that suit your hair type, avoid unnecessarily hot water, be gentle when your hair is wet, and use conditioner if it works well for your routine. Protecting the hair you already have is one of the smartest long-term strategies. Step 3. Feed your hair from the inside. Your hair is made primarily from protein, so your body needs proper nutrition to support it. Eat enough protein-rich foods, stay hydrated, maintain a balanced diet, and get consistent sleep. Spending some time outdoors and managing stress can also support your overall well-being. No oil or shampoo can fully replace healthy daily habits. Step 4. Stay consistent. This is where most people fail. They follow a routine for 1 week, don't see instant results, and quit. But hair changes happen gradually. Small habits repeated for months are far more powerful than expensive products used for a few days. The guys with the best hair aren't always the luckiest. They're often the ones who avoid the common mistakes, take care of their scalp, support their body with good habits, and stay consistent. So don't wait until your hairline forces you to take action. Start taking care of your hair today, and your future self will be glad you did.